the screen here. All right. So there would be, as you can see, guys. Last time we discussed about the campaign types. Okay, there was three types of campaign we have discussed. Which one is awareness? Another one is consideration. Another one is conversion. Correct? Makes sense. Only three types of campaigns. There is no three or four, fifth types of campaign here. Getting it? Yes. So we have covered few things inside the awareness, consideration, conversion because we have multiple objects in the same way. In awareness, we had brand awareness and reach. In consideration, it was having traffic, engagement, app installs. Okay, there's another one, app install. Let's just remove it. Okay, video views, lead generation, and message, as you said correctly, right? So this kind of a consideration we had. Another one is conversion. Under the conversion, we had conversion, catalog sales, and store traffic. Three things available. All right. So what is today's all this Facebook masterclass is all about? So I'm going to show you that what is the purpose of each campaign and when to use. Okay. Last time also I've shared that when to use it, how to use it. This time I'm going to create that particular campaign, each campaign, and I'm going to show you that how to create each campaign. I know pretty much that you might be have already hands-on experience on this kind of campaigns. Maybe you tried your Facebook ads, but I know few people, those who are very new to the Facebook ads, maybe they don't know about how to run an ads now. Okay, so we will start with brand awareness and reach. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this ads manager. And before starting the ads manager, I want to know how many of you have created your own ads manager. If you haven't created till now, just let me know if you haven't created. Okay. Okay. Anyone else who have not created your ads manager? Okay, I hope you know, guys, how to create it, right? I hope you're clear with that. If you are not clear, let me know in the chat you're not clear. Okay, you haven't. Okay, Shankul said haven't, but not clear. Okay, last session I showed you one this thing which is called facebook.com/ads manager. This particular URL. All you have to just open this particular URL and you will get navigated to particular one ads manager page where you can create your ads manager straight in 3 minutes. Okay, just go ahead and visit that first, then only you will get to know. I have already created, that's why it is showing all these things. Correct? So copy this particular URL till here, which is facebook.com/asma. Till that, don't write any of this. You can copy this thing, and in fact, for your convenience, I will drop you in the chat so you will also know. Okay. Okay. This is the ads manager link I've just shared you right now. Just go ahead and save it somewhere, and after this session, you can create a one ads manager for you. That would be better, right? All right. Let's come back to our session here. So where were we? We was on it. Yes, we were on the brand awareness first. Guys, please mute yourself. Basuraj, let me do. Thank you. All right, so let's create a first campaign first. It is my brand new ads manager I've created for this particular Crave cart. Let's go ahead and create this particular thing, brand awareness. Okay, let's do continue. We hit and continue. Okay, now you can see there are some structure over here. One is new campaign, new ad set, and new ad. So let's talk a little bit more about it. Okay, let's come here and discuss more about it. So let's talk about one more thing, which is ad structure. Okay, so how the ad structure should be, I'm gonna tell you. The first thing will come your campaign. Okay, and let me make it this way. This possible? No. First is campaign. After that, we use ad sets. Okay, then we go for add copies. You can note this down, guys. This is a particular structure of an ad, and let me just make it bold here so you will know that this is very important. Okay, and let me just change the color for you so you also know that. Okay, red one. Fine. Okay, let's suppose my campaign, well, there is one campaign and I can create another ad set. I'm going to explain you in a bit. Okay, guys, what is ad set, what is ad copies and all. Just give me a moment to just fill this quickly. Under this, we can have another ad copies. All right, guys, is my screen visible to you? Can just confirm me on chat. Is it visible or not?
Yes, yes.
Great, good. Okay, so this particular thing over here, I have given you an idea what should be the ad structure. This particular hierarchy is the perfect ad structure of an Facebook ads. Okay, so we start with a one campaign, then we create a different ad set, and like different ad set is basically you can test it in a right way. Let's suppose you want to test for a garment brand. Okay, you want to test for a garment brand where you're where you're selling in throughout the world. This particular watch, let's talk the garment, let's talk about the watch. This particular watch that I'm wearing right now, it has been selling in all around the world. Now the thing is, I want to run ads, and at the same time I want to know that which ads, which country and which area is performing really well for me. In order to do that, I have to create little segmentation in Facebook ads, and in order to do that, I have to create different ad sets. Let's suppose one ad sets, okay, let me just give an example roughly here. Let's, okay, watch is my product, and I've created as a campaign. Now ad set I'm creating for one is India. Okay, and another one is, let's say, Dubai. Okay, I have differentiated this particular thing. Now what I'm doing, what is ad copies? Ad copies is your actual ad. How many of you have noticed a Facebook ad video which is running while you're watching any video, or your image is popping inside the Facebook? This is called ad copies. That is what you are seeing, it is called ad copies. You seeing some person, it's called ad copies. Like I'll show you what is ad copies, but roughly you must be getting idea, right? What is ad copies? मैं कहाँ बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. What is ad copies are something that you can see it. Ad sets cannot be visible, which is back end process, but ad copies are something that visible to our audiences. So suppose you have this watch, and this watch have three or two different colors as if now. One is green, another one is white. Okay, so for that I'm gonna create one image ad, which is image one, and for this again I'm gonna do it image two. Okay, img1 img2. This is my particular ad copies testing in India. Same goes to Dubai, and Dubai I am also selling the same product. I'll also make it image one and image two. You getting it, guys? What I'm doing right now? What is this image thing I'm doing here? You getting it? Let me know if you're not getting it, please. Getting it, guys? Yes or no? Please answer.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
Great. So what I have created, I have created a one campaign for watch in Facebook ads. Another, I have created a ad set for an India. Another one ad set for Dubai. And in one ad set, I have created two ad copies, which is for my blue watch variant. I've created as an image. Another one is green watch variant, which is image two. Same goes to Dubai as well. So basically what I'm doing, I'm differentiating and segmenting very nicely in Facebook ads in order to track my performance. So after spending a lot of amount in Facebook ad, I can see which performed really well. Whether in India, I can sell able to I can sell better green watches, or in Dubai I can sell better green watches that I can compare with image 2 and image 2 in Dubai and India. Then I can come to know, okay, in India people like to buy little blue watches more, or in Dubai people like to buy watches little bit greener. So then only I can compare if I have this kind of comparison and this kind of ad structure. Okay, let's see this particular ad structure in action, isn't it, guys? You want to accept, like, let's see in ad structure in action.
Yes, yes.
Let's do it. Yeah. So I was here. Let me just close it. Okay. I have to click here, create. And we are doing brand awareness right now. Okay. Continue here. You can name your particular thing from here, but just as if now, just skip it. Skip this particular part. Okay. Now just wait for a while. Yes. Okay. Now you have good information available here. Let's understand the information. First, give your campaign name. Okay. Let's say Rolex watch, Rolex red watch. Okay. This is my campaign name. And you can ignore this. This is called special ad categories. If you are running for some social issues and for politician, it will be covered here, right? Okay, if there is some politician, he wants to run Facebook ad, Google ads for his personal branding, you can run it in Google ads, Facebook ads, but in order to do that, you have to select this option unless and until you cannot run it. Okay, that you can note it down. Now let's come to the normal buttons here. In campaign details, we have auction, we have campaign objectives, brand awareness. We selected brand awareness in very early stage, that what kind of objective we want to read. And just in case if you want to change, you can change it from here as well. Suppose you wrongly selected brand awareness, but your actual motto is to get an engagement, so you can do it from here, right? So that's what. Okay, let's come here, and let's explore a little bit more options. So okay, we have another option called auction. How many of you know what is auction?
It is a place where we place a bid for a object.
Advertisement, right?
Okay.
We place a bid for ads. Okay. So in auction, what is auction? Auction is something. Auctioning only happens when you have multiple buyers for same product. Correct. This is called auction. Suppose you are running ads for Rolex, and suppose there are other watch companies like we have Tag Heuer, we have Fast Track. These kind of same watch brand are okay. Suppose you are saying to Facebook, okay, just start running ads to the targeted audience. What if Fast Track and Titan have the same target audience like you? What will happen? You as a Rolex and you as a Titan are in the same group of competition. Now, in what meant by this auction particular? What is meant by the auction? Auction will decide, okay, what should be the cost. Suppose earlier to show one ad for a particular audience was 10 rupees. Okay, was at 10 rupees, and there was no competition. There is only one watch which was in market is Rolex. Rolex was selling their watches by Facebook ads. There was no one other people running Facebook ads. Now what happened? After some time, Fast Track is also launched, and Fast Track has also come to this Facebook ad. Now this particular guy was paying 10 rupees earlier for a click, or maybe for 7 rupees for a click. After coming to this guy particular saying that I can pay 15 rupees. Okay, I can pay 15 rupees to get the click. So what do you think? Facebook will try to understand the best way that what can be profitable for the both, right? Isn't it? So he will compare that what is the best money he can get it from. Like suppose I'm paying for 10 rupees, he can get for 15 rupees. So me and the Fast Track company will be on the same auction for particular bidding. Those who have the better ad copies, better engagement ratio, better ad structure, they will come on the top. So there are certain positions on Facebook. There are like when you open Facebook, okay, just guys, let me know when you open your Facebook and phone or maybe on PC, how many of you go very down to your Facebook page? I don't think so. You're going to very down to your Facebook page, right? You just go and open little bit and scroll it and just turn off your Facebook. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what do you think? If you are running ads, what would be the most profitable? To come on the top of the Facebook, or to come on the middle, or the on the very down below at the bottom?
Come on the top.
Come on the top. So if we have two competitors, like one Fast Track, one is Rolex, and Fast Track is paying little bit more than the Rolex, what do you think? Fast Track will achieve the higher best placement in Facebook?
Depend
Correct?
on relevancy.
Yes, depends on relevancy, and it is a
But who is
lot of
paying high will be the.
there are a lot of factors. Actually, there is a lot of factors to get the on the best auction. Like suppose first thing is he have to be best relevancy score. Here his ad performance should be above average. His it should be very nice looking. There are various factors, but the basic funda is the only auction, like buying type, is should be in only auction. Auction, it means you are competing the same ad with some other brand in the same niche. This is called auction, which is basic funda. And if you are doing everything is good, you will come on the top placement in the Facebook. Otherwise, you will go to very down. Is it clear, guys? Let me know if it is clear.
Yeah, clear.
Clear.
Great, guys. Let's go ahead. So this is called A/B test. It is made for split testing. We also often called split testing. We will do split testing later, and you will see that how to do it and what is the benefits of split testing. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, you can see here one thing is just called campaign budget optimization. Okay, so there are two things. Let me just come back here and give you another thing, which is okay, type of optimization. We have few type of optimization available. One is okay, one is campaign budget optimization, and another, and it is also known as CBO. You're gonna often hear this right now, CBO campaigns. Okay, we have another one which is ABO. Okay, guys, noted this particular thing. I'm just gonna explain you in a bit. Shall we go ahead? Noted.
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead. So you can see there is one optimization here, which is called campaign budget optimization, right? That we have just noted here as well. What is campaign budget optimization? Let me tell you. Okay, so if you turn on this particular thing, you see it is asking for a campaign budget, and it is asking for few money. So you have few options here. You can give the lifetime budget, and you can give the daily budget. Daily budget is something it will spend daily. Like suppose if I'm adding 200 rupees right now, after 12 o'clock, your 200 will start again, and throughout the day, 24 hours, it will spend your 200 rupees. This is called daily budget. And what if I move to lifetime? So we have to decide a duration. Suppose I'm starting this ad to Monday to Sunday. So I'm saying to Facebook, okay, take this 28,000 rupees, and whatever the money is, you run the ads for from Monday to Sunday. Now Facebook will decide on which day he should suppose to run the best ads, or maybe to use the best money. Okay, now it is, we are leaving to him, nothing else. Right, guys? Clear with this two types of campaign budget? One is daily and one is lifetime. Perfect. All right. And down below we have the ad scheduling, which is very important. Suppose we use this for some various niches. For an example, let's say those there is some section for playing, okay, like playing golf, okay, playing golf, and or related to the newspaper and all. What do you think? People are reading newspaper in afternoon, evening, or they must be reading newspapers in the morning, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me give you a better example. Suppose you are selling tea bags. Let's say Taj Mahal Chai. You all know Taj Mahal Chai. It's a very premium brand of tea.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So if we run ads throughout the day for Taj Mahal ads, do you think it will work better, or we will just highly targeted the tag this ad to a schedule which is from morning 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, and again your ad should be start on 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So what I'm saying, what do you think when people are craving about this particular tea, specifically in morning, and another time is in
Yes.
evening, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what if instead of,
Morning 11 o'clock and evening 11 o'clock tea lovers are there.
yes, that we can identify whichever is the best suitable times. So the basic funda, what I'm trying to say, instead of spending throughout the ads, like full time running the ads and seeing the results, why not let's find out some sweet spots where people are really craving about the tea, and we can start sharing our brand and the same sweet golden hour. It will be really great, right? So we can do it from here, and after this you can schedule it. Okay, so I'm just turning off this for as now, because you can try it your own. When we click on this, you can see there are some scheduling option will be enabled. Okay, let me just show you if you want it. We'll move ahead. This is called ad set. Okay, this is a basic information we give in the campaign. This is called campaign budget. Now we are under the ad set. Under the ad set, we provide targeting, we provide a location, demographic, location, everything. Okay, so here we go. Just you can see over here, it is asking for the name. Let's say India. India is my new ad set, and budget schedule. Okay, and I'm selecting today till this. Okay, here is the time. I can also set the Eastern time. All right, here we go. Here is my time zone where I can schedule it. Let's suppose I'm scheduling for this. All you have to do, just you place this mouse like this, it will start scheduling. Let's suppose we have to schedule this golden hour, which is 6 to 9, or maybe let's not 6 to 9, 5 to 9. Okay, we can do it every day till 5 to 9 a.m. Okay, another slot is 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sounds good, looks good, right? We have just scheduled a particular ad to this time, which is 4 o'clock to 9 to 10 o'clock, and another one is 2 p.m. to between somewhat 8 p.m. You're getting it? What I'm trying to say, what I'm just shown you, it is called ad scheduling for in Facebook ads. Done? Shall we move ahead? It is clear, guys. I want affirmation
Yeah,
from
yeah,
your
yeah.
side. Yes, great.
Yeah.
Perfect, great. All right, one of my favorite topic here, which is our targeting. Okay, it's going to ask for various thing to make sure that whatever you're going to spend your money on Facebook ads, it should be highly targeted, super highly targeted. Okay, so in order to do that, we have certain activities to do it. We call it a buyer's persona. What is buyer's
Highly,
persona?
highly targeting is like narrowing down your audience, right?
Narrowing down the audience, of course. So there are few steps involved to. So first thing is you have to find your target audiences, right? So people do the best mistake, like the bestest mistake they can do, they select the wrong targeting because they don't use the buyer's persona thing. So how to create a buyer's persona? That is very
अगर
important. That is
एक
very,
डाउट था
very important. Go ahead.
एक्चुअली अगर हम अगर कितना नैरो डाउन करेंगे ना तो मतलब वो पोटेंशियल रीच और मतलब अगर स्पेसिफिक अगर लीड जनरेशन की बात करें तो मतलब वो एस्टिमेशन 0 लीड बताता है ना, फिर मतलब कितना अगर नैरो जाएंगे फिर तब क्या करना चाहिए मतलब?
I will tell you. Wait, I'll tell you. So first thing is we are not running lead generation away. So when we do lead generation, we'll cover it. This is awareness one, okay? We will cover it. Don't worry. So first thing first, I just want to show you one particular thing. I have called something called buyer's persona thing, and just let me see if I can show you. Is my screen visible to you guys? And you can see one buyer's persona thing. Nope.
Not right now.
Okay, just let me just reshare my screen too. Over here. Can you see
Yeah,
this?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What it's been written over here? General buyer persona. Correct. So let's go ahead and create a buyer persona for this particular Gabriel Mesa. So let's say we are selling watches. Our product is watches. Now you start giving me ideas. All right. I just want you to participate. What do you think? What should be the age? What should be the age?
25.
Okay. 25 to between
30.
30.
It
And what up?
should be as per me, it should be above like 30 because we are selling Rolex watches, and those watches are very costly.
Yes. First thing. It's very expensive, guys. Don't forget that. It is very
30
expensive.
to 50.
Yes. 30 to 55 or 60, 65 plus because age.
Okay. 30 to 65 plus. Okay. Let's do this. All right. Let's talk about income. What do you think? What should be their income on an average to afford this particular watch?
50,000.
We can say
1 lakh.
10 to 20 lakhs per year.
okay. Let's we can take it above average. Okay, as if now. Fine. We can consider this above average, and we will see what is the right income source. Okay, let's come here and write this location. What would be the location for running ads? India.
Mumbai,
All
Delhi,
metropolitan
Mumbai,
Kolkata,
Delhi,
Chennai,
Tier 1 cities.
Hyderabad.
India.
Okay, this is
tier
all
1 cities.
metropolitan cities.
this is the location.
Tier 1
and-
cities.
Yes, so we are
Tier 1
going
and
to
Tier 2 cities.
yeah we are going to target tier 1 or 2. That would be better. Yes, just give me an example of few cities. Let's go ahead with this writing: Delhi, Mumbai,
Mumbai,
Hyderabad.
Chennai.
Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai.
Chennai,
Kolkata,
Chennai,
Hyderabad.
Kolkata.
Coimbatore,
Okay, done. Let's keep this very short. Done.
Bangalore.
Yeah, and let's
Adi.
go ahead with another one is gender. Okay,
Both.
Male.
what do you think?
Both.
What should be the gender?
Both.
This will be
Depends on
60-40,
the
I think
watch
so,
model
because
image.
60% male and 40% female.
Okay,
I would
so
go based on the watch image. If it is for men, I would target men. If it is women, I would target women.
okay, so
First.
I will suggest you to stick with the men's. I think Rolex is particular brand which is morely inclined towards men's. I hope you agree.
Yeah.
Because the brand ambassador itself wearing like I think the brand ambassador was I think James Bond, I guess. Yes, James Bond was the brand ambassador for this particular watch. So men's are mostly targeted. So let's take gender is men. Okay, men's. All right. So we have done with this particular demographic. We identify gender, identify and all. Okay. Do we have some challenges to buy it? I don't think so, right? We don't have challenges. So we have to do some
Challenges
certain
can be
activities.
like
Okay?
price can be only challenge. Other
No.
things won't be a challenge.
Okay. So this is well, this other things is meant for finding the problem and showing the solution because it meant for sales. But we are targeting our audiences. So your basically 50%, 70% work is done from here. That you know who is target audiences, what is the average income they have, where they're from, what is their age. That is it. You got the basic information. Now let's jump ahead and deep inside on this background level. Okay. Okay, just let me know what should be the job role, okay, to buy this particular watch. We can use it.
CEO.
Job role in the sense, the position they are holding. There should be company owners, CEOs, CTOs, founders,
CEO, then MD.
Vice President,
CFOs,
co-founders,
founder.
co-founders.
You're getting it right? What I'm trying to say, like owners, employers, basically, or employers, those who can afford it, because we are targeting rich people right now, because this meant for rich. And I think those who are running business, they probably have the good money, right? Those who are getting 50,000 rupees salaries, they're not going to afford Rolex watch, correct? Yes. Okay. So we have cleared the career, job, career path, family. Okay. Let's go with the lifestyle this time. What should be the lifestyle?
entrepreneurial or businessman.
Luxury.
Yes, luxury. And we can say there is option in the Facebook where we can say those who travel more abroad.
Lavish. Also lavish.
Yes. Okay.
People
So
with
do you think
high
those who
value.
are traveling outside India were were much more luxurious guys, right?
Yes.
And I'll tell you one more best thing inside it to target very luxury brands. There is an option in Facebook ads to target in demographics, which is called phone level targeting. Target
For
iPhone, iPhone,
yes.
iOS users. Do you think those who are buying iOS phones, they can pay for this expensive watch?
Yes.
Correct.
Not
So
everyone.
yeah. Okay. So do you think communication is a barrier to buy a watch? Whether they must know Hindi, English, Tamil, Odia, Telugu, anything? No, right?
No.
This communication is not a barrier for them, right? And we don't require any rest of the thing. So basically this is the persona maker, general buyer persona maker. You can use these factors to analyze that how our customer looks like, how he look like, what should be his minimum income, the pages he's looking into it, or maybe what kind of job role he is inside, what kind of lifestyle he's carrying out. Okay, let's jump in to our Facebook ads and we'll fill up all the details, right? Let's go ahead. Let's open this. Okay, so you guys remember what was our target age for this particular thing?
30
30.
to
60.
Yes,
30 to
30.
65.
Yes, 30 to 65. Wait, let me just click on this. Why it's not working? So do you think, guys, buyer persona is very important to find out the right targeting? We have created
Yeah.
targeting in just 5 minutes instead of brainstorming, thinking, lacks of time. We just did quick things, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we want this template as well, from where I get it.
Yeah, yeah. It's very helpful.
I
I
took
hope
the
you
photo.
all, yes, I hope you want this template to identify persona correctly, right?
Yes, everyone.
Okay, we'll do that in the very last week. All right, where is my video? Okay, now coming. Let me just reset the date. Okay, here we have a targeting from 30 to 65. Let it be. What was our gender, guys? Men?
Both.
It was men, right? We are talking about Rolex.
Yeah, only men.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead. Detail thing. We figured out those people who were in the position as CEO, MD, founder. Okay, let's target those. Let's go here and click on browse, click on demographics, click on education. Oh no, not in education. Wait, it will be come under there. Yes,
Financial.
work. That will come under work. Okay, job titles. Now you write it. CEO. Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Wait, let me just type above. Yes. See, don't select all this. Okay, this is not correct because it's showing interest. We are going to select demographic. It is very major mistake people are doing. Don't select any interest. We have to click on demographics. Okay. Wait, let me just go from here and give you one more idea. Go to work. Oh wait, over here, employers. Founder. We got the founder. Yes.
Yeah.
And the moment you got one, you can click on suggestion. You will see Facebook will recommend you a lot of titles. Do you think all these titles are relevant to us? Owners and founder, owner and
Yes,
CEO,
same.
founder, co-founder.
Yes.
Crazy, right? The moment you get the one result, Facebook will start recommending you a correct way. So let's go at owner and founder. We'll select a little bit more. Don't select all of them. This is a major mistake. Don't select all of them. Choose only 4. Okay, I'll give you one little bit more insight, guys. Pay attention. How to select interest, which is need to be there. So when I'm just hovering my mouse, can you see few information coming on my right side over here?
Yes. Size and like number
Okay,
of people.
it was showing. It is showing size, demographics. What is the description of particular thing? For us, what is going to important is size. Okay, the better the size of the particular thing is, we'll get it. So we are going to go ahead with the size of above 1 million, which is 10 lakh plus. So I have selected 2 people, which is one founder, one is owner and founder. What do you think? What is potential reach is showing right now in this meter? 29,000.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have to make it anyhow 1 million. Okay, then only we can expect something to have a better work on Facebook initially as a big brand. So we are going to add, okay, we already added founder, and what's that next other one?
CEO.
We have owners. We have 76,000. I think we already have 10 lakh, right? We did 10 lakh. Yes. Owners itself is a 24 lakh plus audience. So it's a very big audience here. Owners. Okay. So I don't think you have to choose all these because you have already a lot of categories, which is owner, founder, and owner and founder. Okay. You cross 1 million plus. Do you think you need more? Because 1 million is almost very good amount to get a sales. Okay. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more things which we have decided. And we had decided we're going to target those who have the lifestyle. Okay, so let's go ahead and deep down, narrow down this. Click. Can you see this narrow down?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I clicked on it. Now what we are doing, we are just refining audiences. We selected all audiences, those who are founder, owner, business owner, particular thing. Now what we are doing, we are just narrow downing this stuff on the basis of their phone. So let's go to the demographic. Wait, not in demo, it's on behavior. Mobile device user. It's a mobile use time. There must be some iOS option.
You can directly type iOS, right? Yeah.
We can type it, but the thing is, it will come under this interest. We don't want interest. We need demographic. That's why I'm searching for it. Apple iOS devices, right? This is one. Okay, actually, the thing is, recently, you know that iOS 14 update has come to Facebook, which is due to that all the iOS devices cannot track their advertisement tracking. That's why this is not there, but it is renamed as Facebook Ads Mobile iOS devices. So what it's saying, those who is going to use Apple iOS running Facebook Facebook application inside the phone, then you can target it. So what happened after that? You can just have a quick click on the right side. The moment I added this, it was just showing 71,000. Why it's happening? Can you just explain it? Why it happened? Why it has been reduced?
Because we narrow down.
Yes, and we narrow down. So what it's saying, it was saying if if someone is a founder and owner and having a iOS device, target those. So there was 10 lakh plus people was there above, but only 71,000 people are holding iOS devices under 10 lakh. All right. So that's what the is very specific laser targeted audiences are we are building here. So I don't suggest you to go further narrow down because we can do it another narrow downing. So if you do 2-step to 3-step narrow down, you will start losing your seats. That is not recommended to go narrow down after two level. Don't do 3-level narrow downing. Do it 1. So guys, do you think this is powerful and this is the right way to narrow down for the particular product?
Yes, yes. I think the one of the best thing is that template help us to not help us to basically हमें उसने मदद की कि हमें कौन-कौन सी हमें क्या-क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए
Absolutely.
टारगेट को ऑडियंस करने के लिए
Absolutely. So you don't have to think much, right? Because you did your homework in 10 minutes. After investing 10 minutes, you are pretty clear कि क्या करना है Facebook ads में. Then you are opening this and you're adding all the details and you're good to go. Correct, guys? That's what we did just now, right? Very simple, very fast.
Yeah.
All right. So there is another one, ad recall lift. This is some other term that I'm going to explain you further in coming classes. Let's go ahead and finish our this campaign. Okay. Let's go here. Wait, before that, I just forgot to tell you about this thing, which is our placements. Placement. Yes. So you remember, guys, what is placement? You have seen in Facebook ads, we have various placements. Like one is story, one is on the right feed, another is middle of the phone. So we have various places to show our ads. So just have a look, guys. If you click on this, this is called Facebook video feed. Just let me just zoom in so you can see it. Clear, guys?
Yeah, it's clear.
yes.
Yes. So this is called Facebook newsfeed area. This is Instagram feed ad. This is marketplace. This is video feed, Facebook right column, and when I write it loaded. Next, it is loaded on Instagram Explore page. It is comes on Messenger. So in your Messenger, you might have seen their ad is also coming. So if you enable this button, you will get to see all the Messenger ads as well. Okay. Facebook group feeds. It is very newly added in this 2021. Like in December, I guess, or maybe in January they added, which is very powerful. So basically, what is happening under this Facebook group feed? Suppose you are targeting those audiences who are into spoken English. They want to practice spoken English, correct? And what if we target the kind of groups which is meant for spoken English? Do you think this is very highly targeted area? If we start showing particular ad to them, they will start connecting immediately.
Yeah. Basically, they already have the interest, so that's
Yes.
why they join
That's
the
why
group.
we create a group, right? Whenever we create a WhatsApp group, because we have a same interest, that's why we created 30 days internship group. So similarly, if someone is running ads for internship and that particular ad started coming on our WhatsApp group as an advertisement format, do you think that would be really relevant for you because you are also here for internship and people also sending the same ad to you on a right platform, which is our Facebook group, right?
Yes. It's very difficult as well.
Yeah, so we have various options: Instagram stories, Messenger stories, Facebook. You can enable, disable, it's up to you. You can select which platform is working fine. You have to test bit like which is the best platform for you. For as if now, if you don't have any thoughts to use thing and you want to go no brainer, just use this automatic placements. Facebook will help you out to give you a best place to show your ads to in order to get the seats. Okay, just leave it on Facebook, they will get it for you.
I wanted to ask one question, like when to go with automated placements.
Automatic placement is for like when you start testing your ad. Okay, for a week, let it run on automatic placements for a week.
Okay.
So what will happen after running the particular ads? We have this particular thing here, which is as a graph, which is view performance.
Okay, through the results we can change later, right?
Yes, so we can see it. हमारा कौन सा placement, like from which placements we got the best results? Do we get sales from Instagram stories? Do we get sales from better from Facebook stories or Facebook feed, Instagram feed? We can analyze it, and if we are seeing that this particular area giving us best results, so we will come to manual thing instead of this. Correct?
Okay, okay.
Yes, that's how it works. So guys, you're clear with this particular section, which is very important, which is called ad set, and this particular ad set is made for India targeting. And you guys, we forgot very important thing here, which we did on this buyer's persona. What do you think? What we have forgot? We forgot this adding location.
Yeah.
Correct? This particular ad campaign will run on throughout the India, but we don't want it, so we will remove it. Okay, so one was Delhi,
Kolkata.
Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai,
Bangalore.
yes, Bangalore,
Mumbai.
Mumbai, yep.
Hyderabad.
That's it, enough. So we'll do it, Mumbai, okay. So we can find out the cities, all right. We can find out, see, this is all are targeted right now. These all cities are targeted. We can find out some more areas, and we can pull this full map of India by just highly, super highly targeting. Okay, we don't want to waste time where the people are not able to buy it. I'm just not going to say that this state is not good and all, but it is our genuine practice in marketing to if your product is really a high cost, more than 10,000, 25,000, firstly target tier 1 cities, then come to tier 2 and tier 3. Okay, that is the best practice for selling high ticket products like a watch, television, phone, anything. So that's the thing. All right, so do you think now it's complete? Now it's complete. We added the location, we added the age group, right? We added the age group, we added the detail for detail targeting, we added this particular behavior that they must have some iOS devices, and we are done it. Guys, do you think it was quite easy? Not that very rocket science. We didn't do any rocket science. We just find out the right targeting and just quickly.
Yeah. It's very easy. Actually, I haven't tried because I think it's quite hard. I just use the Instagram promotion where I just using the business account I promote my post.
Yes, don't use that. Better you start using Ads Manager to understand the metrics, how to do it. Okay, later I will also show you that how to understand the metrics, what is CTR, CPM, and what is called ads lift ratio, and what is ad recall ratio. What is how to calculate and all this. This is very important. Okay, so let's go ahead, click on the next tab, which is ad creative. As I've just shown you here, we are now finishing up our campaign, and then we finished our ad set. Now we are going to cover here, which is ad copies. Okay, let's see. Okay, this particular one person is already up. Let me see if we have something. Okay, so just first thing is give your name for particular this thing. We're gonna give this name as I told you, green watch. You have to select your page, guys. So whenever you run ads on Facebook, it will look like this. You can see all this page on your right side. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, these are the exact preview of your current ad. This is how it's going to look like. All right. So in order to do that in settling up the pages, like there is pages coming like it is running from GetSet-Link, people will see that okay, GetSet-Link is running some ad. So we can change it here. We can add it the Pro Career. This is another page of mine. We can add this. All right. So the moment you change it, this will also change over here on the top, the Pro Career. Okay. Now let's come here, and here we have another option called ad account setup. Ad setup. Under the ad setup, you can use your existing post. You can use Creative Hub Mockup. Okay. Create ad, it means you can create on Canva, you can upload it straight. Use existing posts in the sense, if you have suppose Instagram post already created on Instagram, you have Facebook post already created in Facebook page, you can simply select from Facebook page and directly run ads. So Mani, you was asking that you are promoting from Instagram straight, right? Instead of promoting there, click on existing post. So it will ask to select a post from your particular ID, like you could go to the Instagram and select this particular thing. Let's say this Valentine's thing, something is there. Okay. The moment I click this, this particular thing will picked up here. You're getting it? How it working?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Understand.
Yes. So this particular thing comes in handy if you don't want to create something. And if you want to create and upload it, create it on simple Canva, Photoshop, wherever you want to do it, and upload it right here. Here is this option, clear all image, select the add image option. And for you guys, I'll upload one image. Let me see if we have anything in my desktop so I can upload it quickly. Which is this. Okay. This is called microgreens, and we are going to run ads. Okay, so make sure, guys, whatever you are going to run, it should be on the well made and size rotations, because this you can see that this is not looking nice on Instagram stories. It is white here, gray here. Don't do these mistakes. Okay, if your story doesn't support this, don't run it. Better you create a better image and run. Click on done, and your new ad will be placed right away. Okay, so this is one food product, and you can add your text. You just remove it. I'm just going to add XYZ fitness food. Okay, whatever I'm writing, it is going to show here on your top. Can you see it? Can you see it, guys?
Yeah.
Great. So now the most important one of the factor that you shouldn't ignore is to add your website. So after clicking that, where they should actually go, you have to give them some call to actions regarding that. So click on this particular add website URL. Okay, after clicking on this, it will ask for some website URL. Give some xyz.com, anything like that, as if I'm just giving an example. Okay, so your URL has been loaded up, and it is asking for missing call to action. Just give them some call to action. Okay, it says it doesn't support. Okay, let me just give mine. What do you think? What would be the best call to action, guys? Shop now, sign up, subscribe, watch more, listen, apply. This is
Stop now.
shop now, right? This is the best call to action. Yes. Now it is showing like this: XYZ Fitness. This is the image. My website name is coming on the top, and shop now. And the best part, we can add even headlines. Just give me a throw me a one headline, guys, quickly, for this particular product.
Amazing daily. Get amazing.
Super organic food. Okay, this is something organically grown, and I've just given a headline: super organic food, 20% off. So it looks nice, right? After adding this, and after adding a headline, it is a little bit more self-explanatory and also giving me better engagement. What do you think?
Yeah.
Correct. So that is set already. Okay, the moment you make this publish, you click here, and what is happening here? Your ads are under review. After this, you can see this Rolex red watch This particularly comes under in review now. So what do you mean by in review? In review, in the sense they are now checking your ads, that what you have just applied in Facebook, whether it's a right or not. See, your ad will be live in next 3 to 7 hours. Okay, you have successfully made one particular ad. What do you think, guys? That was really tough or easy? Was easy, right?
Easy.
Yeah, yes.
Easy. And
Question was
what
easy.
if I'm saying that you want to, what if you want to do it a quick action for Dubai? You want to do the same activity for Dubai. Okay, that's why I've shown you this particular area. One ad, it should run in India, another one should run in Dubai. So let's go here. Click on this on India. Click over here. Duplicate this. You're getting it? Please don't jump the steps. Just see it again. I know you are not getting it. I'm clicking on the first campaign. I'm going to the ad sets, second button. I'm clicking again on India, first ad set. I'm clicking on duplicate right now. All right. You can write down the steps, guys. Click on existing campaigns, which is Rolex. Basically, I'm doing duplicating this particular thing. All right. I will hit on duplicate. And in just a moment, it has already created me a duplicate. You can see there is one other coming on, copy.
Yeah.
Yes, now I have the same similar activity like in India, another one. So I'll open this, quickly open this. You can see the moment I click on edit, I can see I have now India and green watch, and again I have India and green watch. So what I will do, I'll quickly remove this and I'll write Dubai. So the moment I made it Dubai, now I can see I have created one campaign called Rolex Red Watch. Now I have one campaign running in India, another one is Dubai. So this is very self-explanatory, right? And but it's very clear. So the thing I have to do it here is remove the targeting. I will remove the targeting by clicking one button. It has been removed. Now I have to write the location, which is Dubai, Emirates. Now Dubai is selected. So what do you think, guys? Dubai people are richer than India or not? Or they have a better luxury lifestyle, so
Yeah.
they can afford,
Yes.
I think, Rolex watches very easily. They have a very good amount of money in the pockets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think this age factor is going to be reduced as well?
Yes.
So what do you think, from where we should start the age if we're talking about Dubai?
I think
25.
we should start from 18 plus.
Absolutely correct. We should start from 18 plus because their kids are also wearing heavy luxury brands right now. All right. And do you think it will be sharply restricted to men's only then in Dubai, because there are
No.
both available entrepreneurship? It's
Both.
very big there. Both, right? We can make it both. What if some woman wants to buy it for her husband? That can be the case, right? That can be also one case.
Mhm.
So in that case, you must select gender as all, not made it as men. So women cannot see your particular brand. They cannot gift it to their husband and their boyfriends. All right. Just click on this detailed targeting. Do you think you require this kind of targeting in Dubai?
No.
No.
Doesn't require, right?
No.
Remove it. Remove it. We will do some different targeting for Dubai. Or maybe we can just leave this iOS thing.
Yes.
Those who's having iOS. Of course, people are
Actually-
using Android there, but we want a highly targeted luxury brands, those who want to use iOS, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Great. So as if now we haven't changed anything, we changed our location from India to Dubai. Here we change India to Dubai, and we change our age 18 to 16.5. We change our gender, and we changed our targeting a little bit. Now we are good to go. And if we go to this, we haven't changed anything. We haven't changed anything. Same product, same headline, same page and anything. Now the moment you click on publish, this another ad is going live in just 2 seconds. Yes. it is uploaded. Can you see this particular structure, guys? One campaign,
Yeah.
two ad set, and one ad copies.
Yep.
Similar to this, what I've just shared you. One campaign, two ad sets, one ad copies. Where I have shared you two, but I have just created one ad copies there.
Okay, basically, it's created in a single campaign. If you create a new campaign, that it will be shown as new campaign. If you do not copy this campaign.
Right. So what do you think, guys? That was helpful or not? If it was helpful, let me know on the chat. It was helpful, guys. So I'll get to know that you have found this particular thing helpful. Right? Great. Niyar found it helpful. Nisha is awesome. Very, very helpful. Right. So just in few minutes, we able to know that how to create a campaign. We didn't just study today to how to create an awareness campaign. It's not about just awareness campaign, not about the conversion sales. No, that's not. The motto behind the today's session was how to create any kind of sort of campaign in a correct way. So your basic funda is from here to create a right kind of targeting. Okay, what should be your targeting, what should be your location, how to create this buyer's persona and all, you must know it. That was my fundamental thing, and I think you guys pretty well nailed it, because you know now that how to do it correctly. So if I go back, I have a clear view that what is under review and what is not. So you see, you just remove all these crosses. Okay, so how I check my particular campaigns, it's like I click on this, then I click on ad sets, then I click on my all ad sets.
We are not visible to your screen, Vijay.
Okay, wait, my bad. Is it visible, guys?
Yeah.
So yeah, how I checked my particular campaign, I click on my particular running campaign, then I click go to my next tab, and I can see there is two different ad sets coming. I click on this, then I go ahead, then I say okay, under two ad sets we have two ad running. So what I will do, I'll select all these and I will click on edit. The moment I will click on edit, you see this structure is coming. So why I did this exercise, why I was clicking and going ahead, because I want to know that from where this particular ad is coming on which under ad set. So this is a very big confusion, right? So when you start running ads for 30-35 products, suppose we are only running for one particular campaign. Suppose there are a hell lot of lists, 35 campaigns. I'm going to show you quickly a big list of campaigns, so you will get to know that what I'm talking about here. Let me just give you one example. Okay, so there are a lot of campaigns already created, right? A lot of campaigns. Now, what I was trying to say, suppose I'm here. Suppose I'm here and I clicked on this particular thing. And what do you think, guys? From here, can you tell me that from where, from which ad set is particularly running? Can you tell me? No, correct?
No.
Yes, you cannot, because it is not clear. It is not a very sharp view. So if you have a lot of ad copies running like this, what you have to do, come here and click on edit. The moment you will click on edit, now this structure is pretty clear. There is a one campaign, there is a one ad set called architect and builders, then another ad set called is architect and builder. So it is pretty clear this product ads 2.0 is under this ad set. Guys, getting it what I'm trying to say, how this showing perfectly and balanced?
Yes, clear.
So unless and until you don't create like this, you will don't get to know. And see, I was talking about some insights, right? So let me show you the insights. Let's see the charts. So I have few conversions. Okay, I have 173 results on 7,000 rupees and all to show. So let's go to the demographics. I can see what is my best age group, 25 to 34. I'm pretty clear that my 60% money is being burned here between 25 to 34 years age group. So I can optimize from the next week. Platforms. Facebook is giving me best results as compared to Instagram. So I can in fact adjust this particular bit, right? And let's go ahead deep inside. We can also get to know which placements work. Impressions, mobile. Okay, that has been removed. But anyways, this is enough information for us, right? Do you think, guys, this information is really helpful to improve our next step? Because we can see earlier we was not clear that what to target, what should be the correct age group. Now we can see the age group should be 25 to 34 for this particular product what I'm running for one big company. Getting it? Why?
Now we can change according to these results, right? We can
Absolutely.
change the platforms, then age
Absolutely.
group.
Change it, increase the amount, you will see results in a 2x time. That is a simple funda and simple maths that you must know. Okay, there are a lot of things here that I want to talk about, but it will take some lot of time because see, there are a lot of options. You can see all this. You have to play with all the buttons, performance and clicks. From each thing, you can see what is my lead, what is my cost per lead, which is coming for 45 rupees. What's my daily budget here? What's amount I spent? What is my impression rate? How many clicks I have made? 4,000. Cost per click is 2 rupees, which is actually CTR is less. It could be improved, but since it's my B2B product, so it is fine because in B2B product always CTR is lesser than 5% usually. Okay, click all. This is CTR overall 4.47. So quick information throughout from this the simple one click performance and click section, performance setup, a lot of things I can talk about n number of times. So I think that is enough information for today. What don't you think, guys? This was insane and enough information for today. And what you've just learned, it was purely
It was very helpful.
great. Yes,
Yeah, it's great, and it's not easy to learn anything just in one day.
absolutely. I'm not saying you can learn it because it will take some time. And what I want that you also start your one ad manager, and I'll give you one more work on next class that you're going to prepare your own ads. All you have Instagram account, guys. You have Instagram accounts,
Yes.
Yeah.
Instagram and Facebook account. Create one Facebook page or Instagram page if you don't have it. Create one particular ad, and you will make your ad for yourself, and you will run it on Facebook. Okay. We will do a quick lead generation Facebook ad practice on a next session, and I'll give you that how to do it. So all you have to do is you have to invest 100 rupees in your ads manager, add 100 200 rupees, run it for a 1 or 2 days, and see what happened next. Okay,
Oh,
you are getting
okay.
it. Start
Yeah.
investing and start implementing, so you will get to know that what I'm trying to say, what is awareness, what is sales leads, and XYZ. So that is it today, guys. And session was really long today. In fact, 4:19 now. So what do you think, guys? It was helpful or not? And how was that? Let me know. What's your energy right now? I hope you're not
It
sleeping.
was great.
I was trying my
great.
best to understand you all the metrics because it's very difficult to make them understand of the Facebook ads because it looks very easy to be honest, but there are a lot of things to cover up and requires a lot of patience to knowledge and implementation. Great.
Yeah, practically it was great, but theoretically it was like it won't be much easy.
Absolutely. Practical is like fun to do, but you must know the factors that I've just shown you: performance, clicks, recall value, and all. You must by heart all these steps because when you will start working on Facebook as a Facebook advertiser for your client may ask you what is my ad recall lift. So you shouldn't be blank on the time. Okay, let me just check on my Facebook. What is actually Facebook ad recall thing? You don't even know that what is happening here. So you must know all these factors, right? So that's why I've just shown you real quick and created different ad sets with targeting. So first thing first, that is it. And other thing is I have just shown you this beautiful buyer's persona template. What do you think? That was really interesting, right? The creating buyer's persona. Do you want it, guys? Let me know if you want the buyer's persona. So I will share you on the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So let me know if you
Actually, I
want
took
it.
the
Just
photo.
drop it. I want. Let me just drop it. I want if you want it. Let me see if we get more than 5. I want. I'll definitely gonna drop that particular template. We have 9 participants. We want more than 5. Okay. And
Actually, I
okay,
took the photo.
you already took the photo. Pretty smart, huh? Pretty smart. Okay. Anyways, I'll gonna give you on this WhatsApp group for sure. I'll drop you the links. All right. And that is it for today, guys. What do you think? Was like fantastic, right? Isn't it? You guys was awesome today, and you participated really well.
Yeah,
Great. Great. That is it today, guys. So we'll meet on a next session. And thank you so much for coming in again and learning with me. And I hope you become a great, successful marketer in coming future. So let's go ahead and we'll meet in next session tomorrow. And I'll keep you posted for the next session date and times. All right. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.